Oh! It's leaking on me! So, we kept talking about I know, Jeepers. We kept talking about doing that spicy chicken sandwich taste testing, and I've never tried, well, let me just tell you, I've never tried a shit ton of these. So I'm just gonna dive right into it while it's still fucking warm. I mean, literally. So I got Popeyes. What? I have never tried Popeyes chicken sandwich, and yes, it's still fucking warm. Woo! Okay, so let me just show you the ones I got, because I went on like a fucking spicy chicken sandwich run. So I got this one. I got McDonald's spicy chicken, or crispy sandwich. They call it a spicy crispy. I was like, my bad. And then of course I got Chick-fil-A. I'm gonna do that one last, because I've had that one the most. Wendy's has a spicy chicken sandwich. KFC that you guys fucking talked about. Yeah, I got their spicy chicken sandwich. And what else? What else? Oh, this one doesn't have a name. Oh, this one's Jack in the Box. What the fuck? I'm about to stuff my face. I'm not gonna eat the whole fucking chicken sandwiches because this is too much shit. Damn it. Yes, we're talking variety. Well, I wanted to see what chicken sandwich was the best, so I don't know if I missed anybody. I just went on a binge. Oh, I totally forgot about Burger King. Oh, shit. Yeah, it's Jack and a Crack. Oh, wait, you're eating KFC too, Cheeto? I do see murder. Too bad I can't feed you guys some of this fucking spicy chicken sandwich. I want to stuff your fucking mouth. Not like that. You can't hear me? Oh my fucking goodness. Is it on? Test, 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 test. Can you guys hear me? Oh no, Llama must do Rex. Okay, you hear me. Dave, Fraser, I do want to stuff your mouth. Oh, but I'm a little low. Shit. Okay, hold on here. Oh, I don't really normally have soda too, so I just asked her regular, and of course, look how big this shit is. They gave me, I don't know if this is a large or what. Well, shit. I don't know why it's so fucking low. It's turned up here. Why is it so low? Test, 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 test. Can you hear me? Oh no. Okay, can you hear me now? I know, this shit's so fucking big. Oh shit, too loud. Test. Can you hear me now? Palm Reese, hello there, baby. Oh, I'm so sorry. Lou, hi, baby. Silent Soul, hi, baby. Okay, wait, tell me, is it too loud or is it just right? It's just right. Woo! Okay, I'm ready to stuff my mouth. At least to try this fucking Popeyes one that you guys have been fucking saying all this shit about. So let's just take a look at it. I whipped it out of the bag. I know I whipped it out quite fast. Oh, I don't have a plate. What's in it? Okay, so it's the chicken and some, it looks like some spicy sauce, and then what's underneath here? Some more spicy sauce and some pickles. I like some pickles. Spike TV! Oh shit, you're just in time for me. Oh, damn it. What's already falling? For me to do my spicy chicken sandwich taste testing. Okay, I whipped out the bag. Look it. I'm officially gonna try Popeye's fucking spicy chicken sandwich that people were like trying to fucking kill each other over. I'm not a messy eater! Oh my fucking goodness, you guys. Punisher Cash, hello there, baby. Okay, I'm ready. Aw, wait, is Bambina here? Bambina, hello there, baby. Okay, you made it just in time for me to take my first bite of this spicy chicken taste testing. Jay Romero, hi, baby. I do? Okay, wait, move the fucking camera. My setup the way it was when I first did the desk, I didn't like it, so I moved it because I couldn't get the lights the way I wanted it. So does it look better? And then the monitors are a little weird, but it'll fucking do for right now until I fuck with it some more. Because the monitor's higher, I don't fucking know. I still can't get it the way I had it before. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna eat it while it's still warm. Aw, Suppy, hi baby. Roland, hi. What's like everywhere? I know, I did that really fast. I couldn't help it. Okay, I think I just got a lot of bread. But it is really, really crispy. I can already taste the spiciness. Okay, hold on. Here, I think this is gonna be a really good bite. Do you see the pickle? Gung Ho Gamer, hello there. Chuck baby, hi. Okay, yes, you see the pickle? This one is from Popeyes. Ooh, damn, I already taste the spice. I keep going home. I'm just getting the crispy part. Okay, hold on. Oh my gosh. I'm making a mess. I got the chicken now. Okay, I can totally see why people are fucking going crazy. So, right now, just because I know how Chick-fil-A's taste, the biggest difference is that this is like just every bite has like been super fucking crunchy. Like, look at this crunchy part of the chicken. I was eating like too much of it. Thank you, baby. I was eating too much of that shit. So, here's the middle part of the, like, oh, damn it, the pickle fell out. The pickle fell out. Okay, so let me just say, it is actually really good. I'm gonna take one more bite. You got a good angle of watching me bite into that. The monitor's so high. Does it look fine? That is really fucking good. Okay. Popeyes? Holy fuck. Wow. Like you're tall? I know, I'm still messing with it. Okay. Oh, thank you, Silent Soul. Thank you, Bambina, baby. Okay, making a mess, damn it. Itachi, hi, baby. Mark, hi. Okay, Matt, hi, babe. Okay, because I just ate the Popeye spicy chicken sandwich, I'm gonna fucking shove that KFC spicy chicken sandwich to see the difference between the two. Ooh, They gave me 1 napkin. Thank goodness for that, because I don't have any napkins next to me. All right. So, here is KFC's. Who here has had KFC's spicy chicken sandwich? Because, damn, man. I did not realize all these places had spicy chicken sandwiches. I got 2. No, Spike TV. I got like 6 spicy chicken sandwiches to taste. Bambino. I don't know. I wanted to taste the chicken sandwiches and I wasn't sure if I wanted to be completely scared tonight. It's been like, how many 3 weeks in a row I've slept with my lights on. I'm being so scared. But I think I might, I don't know, maybe after eating these chicken sandwiches, I might just do it. The packaging is like really nice. They have it like all wrapped up. Maybe I should keep this, huh? Okay, so let's look at what's in the KFC one. Hot sauce. Whoop, they got pickles too. Damn. You know what's crazy is Chick-fil-A spicy chicken sandwich, there's no sauce. It's just the chicken that's spicy already. So this is like what, regular chicken, crispy chicken with the sauce that's spicy for the Popeyes and this KFC one. Okay, I think I'm gonna bite this side. What did I miss? Details. I got Chick-fil-A. I got Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A is one of my favorites, so I had to get Chick-fil-A. I'm just eating that one last because I know what it tastes like. Mark, I gotta be a food inspector. I'm showing you guys. I know, Roland. I never had it either. Well, I haven't had a lot of these spicy chicken sandwiches. Damn, this is making you hungry, Gung-Ho. Oh, Mr. Marco. So KFC has been disappointing. Brian, baby, hello. I know. At least they gave me 1 napkin. At least they did. Stannis, hola, baby. Almost. There's no hope, except for I forgot Burger King, who does have a spicy chicken sandwich. Who else did I miss? Bambina, so we'll see. We'll see, okay? I'm really scared of the part that I left off. Do you think this is why I did it? Even if I'm doing my food tasting tonight. Okay, here's KFC's. It was good, but it's not that spicy. It's more, I don't know. It's more, I don't know. I don't even know. Has like a little tang to it. So if you're wanting a spicy chicken sandwich, I wouldn't say that this is that spicy. I'm not gonna take another bite. I didn't really like it. But the Popeyes one is fucking spicy as shit. My mouth is still hot. I probably should drink some water. Really? Palmrees, it wasn't that spicy for me. Because I'm used to like Chick-fil-A. Man, some days their shit's like spicy as fuck. Swift Kid, hello there, baby. Oh my goodness, deep freezer. Like the Chinese takeout. Well, my Chinese takeout place definitely gives me more than 1 napkin. But I'm happy that I got at least 1. Domino's? No. I prefer round table pizza. Or I forgot what other one's close by. Oh, damn it, Mr. Marco. Krispy Kreme donuts, huh? Yes, yes. Okay, this. So right now, KFC is last. Ooh, my spice tolerance is pretty fucking high. I love it spicy. So the Popeyes one was perfect. It was spicy as fuck. I don't know. Okay, so KFC, I feel like their chicken wasn't spicy and they just had the sauce. I wonder if Popeyes was spicy because their chicken was, you know, they also have that spicy chicken. So I wonder, I don't know. All right, let's do Wendy's. Gosh, I didn't even realize Wendy's had a spicy chicken sandwich. So I've never had Wendy's. Oh, Wendy's gave me a shit ton of napkins. Okay, wow, that's pretty impressive. Thank you, baby. It's still warm. Okay, so has anyone ever had Wendy's spicy chicken sandwich? I don't know why I've never had it. Okay, oh, maybe I should have told them regular, or does it just always have all this stuff in it? This one has the chicken, the lettuce, the tomato. What's on the other side? Oh, so their chicken must be spicy because there's no hot sauce like KFC and Popeyes. Are we ready? I can't believe this shit's still warm. Oh, details! Wendy's spicy chicken sandwich is good? Wendy's jalapeno poppers. I haven't had it. It's good. Oh, Brian. KFC used to be good. Yeah, it was definitely. That spicy chicken sandwich is like. Okay, okay. Wait, you like it, Javin? Okay, here we go. I'm gonna take a big bite of this. Which way should I do it? This side. Oh! Oh! It's leaking on me! Oh my fucking goodness! What is leaking? What is that? Oh my fucking goodness. Okay, hold on, hold on. I need to wipe up. Oh shit. What in the... Oh my fucking goodness. What? It had to be white, right? What the fuck? What the? It had to fucking be. What is it? Should I be afraid? No, it's just. I'm just gonna say it's because the chicken's juicy, right? Because of that, right? Like, why is it leaking? Oh my fucking goodness, I gotta stop. I don't want to fucking choke because I got the giggles now. Okay, hold on. I have to put these napkins below it because, or just hold it like this. What the? Oh! SKGs! Stop! I swear that I had to fucking be white. What the fuck? Okay, I'm gonna take a bite. Here we go. Here we go. Oh. Wow. Wow, that is actually really good. I don't know what that white sauce is, but it's really good. So this isn't the chicken spicy like Chick-fil-A's. Holy shit. I can't believe I've never had Wendy's spicy chicken sandwich. Mr. Marco! Oh my fucking goodness, Brian. Yes, that's why they gave me so many napkins, because the white stuff. Enigma baby. baby, don't be jealous. Avion Dragon! Baby, thank you for those 4 months. Thank you, baby. Yes, it's taste testing night. I'm taste testing the spicy chicken sandwich. And let me just tell you, I didn't realize how many fucking places had spicy chicken sandwiches. And I'm shocked I never fucking had Wendy's. Like, this fucking spicy chicken sandwich is really fucking good. I'm gonna take one more bite because this is a hard toss-up. So this is similar to Chick-fil-A, except for I wish I would have did Chick-fil-A's deluxe because I just did like just the plain. I didn't know it came with all this on their spicy chicken sandwich. But it's really fucking good. Maybe it's that special sauce that they have in it, huh? Wow. That is really fucking good. Holy shit. Okay. KFC for real is like definitely not comparing. This is hard. I don't know which one I'd pick between Popeyes and Wendy's. Oh my gosh. Oh no, I hope I don't have the hiccups on here. Oh no. Horseradish sauce? Oh, I wonder if it is. Hi, Static Zoe. I wonder if it is horseradish sauce. I'm not sure. I need to baby wipe. Where? Do I have more white sauce? I can't tell. Oh, thank you, baby. Oh, it's mayo. Wait, I didn't see that. Maybe it was under the tomato. It's on my right? What do you mean? Silent Soul. Is it a one piece? No. It's like a layered piece. Layer, layer, layer. All to make sure everything's covered as much as it can be. Oh my goodness, Spike TV. So we don't know if it's mayo? Okay, well, if anybody has had Wendy's spicy chicken sandwich, what's the white sauce? Okay, what do we have here? Who has had McDonald's spicy, or no, okay, they corrected me when I said that. I said, can I get your spicy chicken sandwich? And they said, you mean the spicy crispy chicken sandwich? And I was like, yes, the spicy crispy chicken sandwich. Okay, oh shit, what in the heck? Oh my gosh. Opening this up over my keyboard is not the brightest idea. Let me scoot that. Okay, this one is definitely messy. So, there's a bunch of sauce. There's pickles. Kind of looks like a happy face, look. Okay. Oh my fucking goodness. Why does this kind of look like a happy face to me right now? The way... But what does this look like to you? It looks like the little devil emoji. Okay. And they gave me 0. Let me double check. They gave me 0 napkins. Okay. Wait, what, Mr. Marco? After a night with BBC. What are you talking about? Oh, their chicken sandwich. Wait. Spike TV. It's a spicy, crispy chicken sandwich, which is weird because it doesn't look that crispy compared to Popeyes. But here we go. I need to push it through. Okay. All right. Here we go. There's a lot of sauce. Wow. I don't know what's better now. This or KFC. I don't like it. I like the way it was shaped. And the way they placed the pickles to look like a little happy face, but oh! Wow. Okay, maybe I like this one better than the KFC. That was really weird. So when I bit into it and I started chewing it and I swallowed it, didn't really taste the spice until after, just like, psh, punched me. The spice was like after I bit into it. Let me just tell you what's really shocking, because all the hype was on Popeyes, so I kind of figured Popeyes is going to be pretty good. But let me just tell you, let me put this one away because this one's messy. I did not expect Wendy's chicken sandwich to be good as fuck. What? Okay, that was fucking crazy. Oh my gosh, I'm making a fucking mess. Okay, let's dump this back in the bag. Blech. I still didn't really like it, but I think it's better than, thank you, baby. I think it's better than KFC. Okay. Jack and Cracks. They gave me napkins. Okay. It's so nice, huh? Wait, which one is it open? This way. Theirs is the only one that's in a box. You were doubting Popeye spicy chicken sandwich until you tried it, Mr. Hodge. Okay, okay. Let's see. Man, look at how nice theirs looks. I forgot how nice Jack in the Box chicken sandwich looked, because damn. This looks really nice. Like, look at how pretty it is. Almost doesn't make you want to bite it. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay. I like Jack in the Box, the spicy chicken sandwich. I just haven't had it in forever. So, let's see. Right? It does look so neat. Avion Dragon, sorry, baby. Oh my goodness, yes. I'm not even playing. That Wendy's spicy chicken sandwich was really, really good. Right, Bambina? It's their presentation for their spicy chicken sandwich is so nice. Thank you, baby. Just wait. Now you want one? Excuse me. Now you want one? Silent soul, I swear I'm not messy. Oh, really? McDonald's gave me 0 napkins. Palm Rees, you've seen what in the future? Okay, here, I'm taking a bite. Oh, wait, I didn't even open it because it looks so pretty. Okay, so this one has, for those that know, it has mayo, lettuce, tomato. I think that's it. They don't have pickles. And that's it. All right, here we go. I haven't had it in so long. It's really big to wrap your mouth over it. It's really big. Oh no. I was gonna talk and I was chewing at the same time. After having, oh my goodness, I need some water. It was so big I choked. I was. goodness. I was gonna talk as I was chewing. Okay, now this is crazy. I say this one because I've had Jack in a Box's spicy chicken sandwich, and even though their presentation was definitely the best, it wasn't that spicy compared to Popeyes. I mean, it's definitely still spicier than KFC's, but even McDonald's, I feel like, is spicier. This wasn't that spicy. Maybe I just need another bite, huh? Guys, I was choking. Okay, hold on. Oh. Okay. It is spicy, but it's not as spicy as Wendy's and Popeyes. So if you don't want one that's too spicy, Jack in the Box is for you. And where are you? Defreezer, I don't. Did you not hear me? I said I was trying to talk at the same time when I was swallowing, and it kind of went down the wrong side. Or tickled it or something. I know, Bambina! I was talking with my mouth full. It is good. Don't get me wrong. It is really good. But if you're wanting something hot, it's definitely not as hot as Popeyes and Wendy's. I am still in disbelief. I can't believe I have never had Wendy's spicy chicken sandwich. What in the fuck? That is fucking crazy. Who here has, seriously, I missed all of it when I was doing it. Have you had it, and do you like their spicy chicken sandwich? Because that is freaking nuts. Wendy's is doing really good. I guess I'm just really shocked because I didn't expect Wendy's spicy chicken sandwich to be that fucking good. I really didn't. Spike TV, you had all of them? Seriously? Okay, did you like KFC spicy chicken sandwich? Because it wasn't that spicy to me. Oh, defreezer, so you order it without the mayo, tomato, and lettuce. Not as much as Wendy's. Wendy's, I am like shocked. Okay, I know. You're like, okay, where is that Chick-fil-A spicy chicken sandwich, right? Wait, you got what? No! Bambina, no. KFC. I was gonna say sucks balls, but so do I. Oh my fucking goodness, okay, I'll stop. Oh my goodness, okay. Yeah. Okay, they suck mayo. Okay, yes, I'm gonna do. You really think Popeyes? I will say Popeyes by far is the crispiest. That's crazy. I don't know. I might have to take another bite of that. Popeyes. Oh my gosh, I still can't believe that mayo. I did not know it was gonna drip like that. Brian, you're so right. That's the reason why they gave me all those napkins. Yes, last chicken sandwich. Hello there, almost Keanu. A ghost pepper one from wait, what? Ghost pepper from McDonald's? I never had that. I needed a bib. I did need a bib. Oh no! Almost dropped it. Oh my goodness. Okay, Chick-fil-A. Oh, okay, so I got another Chick-fil-A bag because if you haven't had, of course, Chick-fil-A would give me a shit ton of napkins. My goodness. Look how much they gave me. Okay. So if you haven't had it, their kale crunch salad is amazing. So good. So good. Okay. Thank you, baby. Oh, that ghost pepper jelly. Yeah, that was good. Code breaker, hello there, baby. Pimpalicious. Hello there, babe. DT, hi, baby. Yes, they're all spicy chicken sandwiches that I've been tasting. Okay, now here's Chick-fil-A's. Just chicken and pickles. Dang. I wonder if I should have ordered the deluxe for all of them. Does Popeyes come with the deluxe, or is that just how their chicken sandwich is? Deep freezer, really? Avion Dragon. You know what's crazy about Chick-fil-A? It might look it, but their chicken's so juicy. So juicy. Oh, thank you. I am the table. It really isn't. 559er. It's been so long. Hi, baby. Darth serial killer. Hello there. Oh, yes, I'm here, DT. You call that place hate chicken? Oh no. Exactly, Enigma. Chick-fil-A doesn't need all the extras because seriously, their chicken's just juicy. Always. So fucking good. Oh my fucking goodness. It's so fucking good. It's just ridiculous. Avion Dragon, if you, I'm telling you, if you want to try spicy chicken sandwich, Chick-fil-A is not dry. Okay. I know how Chick-fil-A tastes and it's amazing. So let me take a bite of the Popeyes before I say which one's better. Okay. Hold on. Okay, here we go. Okay. Son of the sun. 559er, really? Okay, well. Avion Dragon. I'm not moaning. It just tastes good. Okay. I know Popeyes does it for you guys, but what I don't like about Popeyes is this. Let me show you. Okay, well, I took most of it out. But there's a lot of like breaded parts where it's not just chicken. And it's just like a bunch of just crispy flakes of the batter. So that part I don't really like that I have to pick at it so much. It is. It's overbreaded for me. Nicely worded, Spike TV, because I didn't know what the fuck to call it. So thank you. Yes, it's a little too breaded for me. I mean, I just bit it again after I tasted all of these, and it's still crispy as fuck. But it is. It's good. It's good. But it's just a little too fucking breaded for me. Bambina, I will definitely do a Jollibee night where it's just everything from fucking Jollibee. I'll fucking try everything on there for everybody to see just how amazing Jollibee is. Popeyes for the sauce. Oh, wait, what? You can order extra crispy? Holy shit, I didn't even know that. Spike TV, you still haven't tried it? Oh my gosh. It's amazing. Chick-fil-A for the chicken. Like, literally, they don't even put sauce because their chicken just is already spicy and fucking amazing. Like, oh, wait. I already know what Chick-fil-A tastes like because I really like Chick-fil-A. But I'm going to try this Wendy's one again with all that white sauce. Because this really stole the show. Like, I still can't even believe how good it was. Okay. Okay. I'll just show you another bite. So, for me, it's Chick-fil-A, Popeyes, Wendy's, Jack in the Box, McDonald's, and KFC. Oh my gosh, Spike TV, yes, you're going to have to try it. Wait.